Meditation is a tool for enhancing cognitive function and promoting clever, sharp mind, mental clarity, and focus. Find a quiet and comfortable place with no disturbance. Lay down in a comfortable position with your back straight. Relax all muscles from head to toe. Imagine all your bones are weak. Gently close your eyes. Also imagine that you are in the jungle with fresh air, cool, relaxing, and comfortable. You are alone and concentrating and ready to receive enlightenment. Begin by taking a few deep breaths to relax your body. Then, shift your attention to your natural breath. Pay close attention to the sensation of your breath as it enters and exits your nostrils, the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. Inhale with your nose and exhale with your mouth very slowly. Imagine a bright, clear, and focused light at the center of your forehead. This is your third eye. Visualize this light expanding. With each inhale and clearing away mental clutter, with each exhale, release any tension or stress. Hear these affirmations and repeat in your heart and mind. Be focused. I am clever and intelligent. I have a bright mind and a thirst for knowledge. I am able to learn quickly and easily. I am able to think creatively and solve problems effectively. I am confident in my abilities. I am not afraid to ask for help when I need it. I am always striving to learn new things and improve my skills. I am grateful for the opportunity to learn and grow. I am a good student. I am capable of great things. I am excited to learn and grow. I am passionate about my studies. I am confident in my abilities. I am worthy of success. I love mathematics. I love biology. I love physics. I love all subjects. I am good at sports. I am willing to put in the hard work to learn all subjects. I am capable of understanding all subjects. I will not give up on all subjects. I am ready to receive all subjects. I am good in organization. I always get the best grades in every lesson, but I always do my homework. All my friends love me. I'm a kind person. My teachers love me, and I love my teacher. I am good at speech. My parents are proud of me. I am healthy. I am strong in body, mind, and soul. I will be a successful student. I am a useful person to many people. I'm ready to become a clever person. I'm ready to accept a bright future. I'm ready to accept miracle from God. I embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. I trust in my abilities and my capacity to succeed. I am focused, motivated, and fully prepared to achieve my academic goals. Repeat these affirmations to yourself regularly by saying it while meditate or just say it in front of mirror. Also repeat, especially when you are feeling stressed or anxious about your studies. Believe in your ability to be clever and intelligent, and watch as your academic performance improves. Take a few more deep breaths and slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. When you're ready, open your eyes. Feel the existence of God by saying, "Thanks, God, thanks, God, thanks, God." This is the end of session. Thank you very much.